What if I told you one man's thirst for absolute power led to the deaths of tens of millions, reshaping an entire nation in fear and blood? And yet, his name is still remembered as a symbol of strength. Hello everyone, welcome back to BattleTech. Today, we are diving deep into the dark, ruthless world of Joseph Stalin, a man whose rise from obscurity to the pinnacle of Soviet power was marked by cunning, betrayal, and unspeakable cruelty. Imagine a leader who forced entire regions into famine, executed anyone who dared oppose him, and turned neighbors against each other in a chilling atmosphere of paranoia. Stalin's reign was not just about politics. It was psychological warfare. His purges, secret police, and forced labor camps created a society where trust was a deadly risk, and survival often meant silence or complicity. But how did a man who started as a modest revolutionary become one of history's most infamous tyrants? We will uncover the twists in his life. From his manipulative rise through the Bolshevik ranks, the calculated murders of his rivals, to the shocking betrayals even of close allies and family. His policies of collectivization caused mass starvation, yet he presented himself as the father of the nation, a paradox so twisted it shocks the mind. We'll explore his personal life, his paranoia, and how every decision, no matter how brutal, was meticulously planned to maintain his grip on power. From the Great Purge that erased hundreds of thousands from history to the chilling realities of the gulags, you will see a man who was both brilliant and monstrously cruel, and whose decisions continue to haunt history books and political discourse. Stay with us as we unravel the psychological strategies he used to manipulate fear, loyalty, and propaganda, and witness the terrifying impact of absolute power unchecked. And if you think you know Stalin, think again, because the deeper you go, the more disturbing the truths become. If you want to truly understand one of history's most ruthless leaders and see how power can corrupt absolutely, make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts on the darkest lessons from Stalin's reign, and subscribe to BattleTech so you never miss our deep dives into the figures who shaped history.